Good morning, student. Today we discuss your new chapter. Yes, is line and angles. Clear? So in line and angles, we discuss here we covered we covered here the topics. We covered here three topics. Three topics. We cover here three topics. First one is a pair of angles. Pair of angles. And second topic we cover here is the parallel lines. Parallel lines and transversal line. And third topic we discuss here. Third is angle sum. Angle sum. Properties of triangle. The student to be covered in three. There is three topics. First one is a pair of angles. Second one is the parallel lines, and third topics is angle sum, property of a triangle. Clear? Now look that we know how to see a line and angle. Line and angle. Okay? Line and angles, we discuss here the first points divided in two parts. First we know that basic concept. What? You know? Basic concept. Clear? Basic concepts. And second point we discuss in this angle sum, property of triangle. Angle sum, property of triangle. Clear? तो we discuss लाइन एंड एंगल्स. लाइन और एंगल्स को हम दो पार्ट्स में बेसिक कंसेप्ट पहले जानेंगे और दूसरी इसको हम क्या जानेंगे, एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. अब जो बेसिक कंसेप्ट या बेसिक ज्योमेट्रिकल टर्म्स आर बेसिक ज्योमेट्रिकल terms. Yeah, this point and this. Yeah, so basic concept on the basic geometrical terms. The basic geometrical terms, first we know that this one is a basic geometrical terms. We discuss here the first point, basic geometrical terms. Basic geometrical terms. Basic geometrical terms. This one in this one we know that about the first one is what is line. Lines. A line, there is two types, line segment and lines. Okay, line segment and lines, you know that line is a no endpoint. Line have no endpoints, and line segment have two endpoints. Have two endpoints. Line segment, line is this one is denoted this, and line segment AB this one. Line AB and line segments B. Clear? We discuss now. Next point here, the line in divide pair of line is pair of lines. The pair of lines and pair of lines we discuss here. Pair of lines, here's this one is a pair of lines, clear, and this one is also the pair of lines. Now pair of lines here is divided in two parts. Pair of lines is divided in two parts. Pair of line, at first we know that intersecting lines. Which one? Intersecting lines. This one here, see that this line is the intersecting line. Line L1 and line L2. Both are intersect to each other. Clear? Intersecting line. And second portion we discuss here is the parallel lines. What is here? Second is here is the parallel lines. Parallel lines. These lines are parallel lines. L1 and L2 is a parallel lines, and here जो parallel lines होंगी L1 and L2, इनके बीच की distance क्या होगी? Equal. ठीक? These lines are never intersect to each other. Clear? Now we discuss here the parallel lines. Now the parallel lines is dividing. Parallel lines, we divide this one is a line parallel. This one is line parallel to the same line. Parallel lines mean line parallel to the same line. And second, this one here, we discuss this parallel lines and transversal line. Parallel lines and transversal line. Transversal line. Clear? तो यहाँ पे हमने फर्स्ट पॉइंट्स हमने डिस्कस किया. हमने क्या जाना? लाइन हैव नो एंड पॉइंट्स. क्लियर? हियर इज अ लाइन इज टू टाइप्स. लाइन को दिखाएंगे. लाइन को हम क्या दिखा देते हैं? पेयर ऑफ लाइंस. दिस वन इज L1 and L2 is a pair of line. Clear? Pair of line. Clear? This line is divided into parallel lines. Parallel lines are here is divided two group. Line parallel to the same line and parallel lines and the transversal line. Clear? This point is now your basic geometricals. We discuss here the basic geometrical terms. We line and know about the lines. Now next point is ray. Ray here is a, well, you know that a ray is a no end points. They have a no end points. This line shows is the ray have a no end points. Is a जितना अच्छा हो इसको खींच सकते हो. Is a ray. Clear? And second we discuss here the points. This one is the point. We discuss here the points here. Collinear points and non-collinear points. collinear points and non-collinear points. Collinear points means any 2, 3 or 4 points lies on the same line. ठीक है, कोलिनियर पॉइंट सुने कहेंगे कोई भी अगर हम पॉइंट्स ले रहे हैं और एक ही लाइन में हो, एक ही लाइन पे पॉइंट्स हो, तो ए बी सी, तो ए बी सी पॉइंट्स इज कॉल्ड कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स. क्लियर? एंड नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स हियर इफ देयर these points are not a same line, so this ABC is called non-collinear points. Clear? Now we discuss next point is angle. Angles, we discuss here the angles. Angles here, we know that angle, two lines inclined, if two lines, line A and B, inclined point at C, so these inclined point is called angle. If two lines inclined a single point is called angle. Now we discuss here the angles. So angles are here is, we discuss here two types, pair of angles and type of the angles. Pair of angles and the type of the angles. Now discuss here the type of the angle. So we discuss, we know that in earlier classes, angles, first one is a type of angles, acute angle. Those angle is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Acute angle less than 90 degree, 60 degree, and this one is a less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. Clear? So this less than 90 degree angles and greater than 0 degree angle is called acute angle. Clear? Now we discuss another right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, we discuss here the right angle triangle. Everyone see this one is the right angle triangle here. Those angle which is 90 degree is called right angle triangle. This one is a 90 degree. 90 degree angle is a right angle triangle. And second one is a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle greater than 90 degree and less than 180. Greater than 90 and less than 180. Greater than 90 and less than 180 angle is called obtuse angle. And this angle just like this, see that angle 120 degree, angle 120 degree is called obtuse angle. And next one is a obtuse angle for straight angle. Straight angle, this and 180 degree is called straight angle. And next one is a reflex angle. Reflex angle is less than 360 and greater than 180 is called a reflex angle. Clear? This angle is called reflex angle. 210 degree is a reflex angle. Is a greater than 180 and less than 360 angle is called reflex angle. Clear? Now we discuss here the pair of the angles. Second point is the pair of the angles. Clear? Now pair of the angles. Pair of the angles we discuss here. Pair of angles, first one is a linear pair angle. Second is a vertically opposite angles. Third one is a complementary angle. Fourth one is a supplementary angle. And last here is a adjacent angle. First we discuss here the linear pair angle. So linear pair angle, linear pair angle, look at this angle A and angle B. So these angle A and angle B, angle A and angle B is called linear pair angle. Linear pair angle. ठीक, and there some angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Their sum is 180 degree. Linear pair angles. And next one is a vertically opposite angles. Next one is a vertically opposite angles. Now look that here is two lines intersect to each other. Here is two line L1 and line L2 intersect to each other, and these angles, angle this and angle this, angle X and angle Y. Angle X and vertically opposite angles. These are the vertically opposite angles. Angle X and angle Y, okay, are called vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Clear? This angle X and angle Y is a vertically opposite angle, and this one is says also this angle is A and B. This one is also vertically opposite angles. Clear? Now discuss the third point is the complementary angle. Complementary angle, their sum is 90 degree is called complementary angle, and supplementary angle their sum is 180 degree is called supplementary angle, and last one is a adjacent angle. Adjacent angles have a common vertex. This one is an angle, and this line A, B, C and D, and this angle, let angle A and angle B. तो angle A and angle B, ये दोनों angle A और angle B, these called the adjacent angle, and this one here is a common vertex. Here is a common vertex. Clear? Now we discuss the next point of this exercise.